Hey guys, what's happening out there? So the video I am making is a video that I had no plans on making, but something kind of struck me, moved me to do it. May 14th, 2019, which was 2 years ago yesterday. 10:30 at night, I had gotten a phone call from my brother letting me know that my father, our father, was in the hospital. So I was working, driving truck. I was almost at my destination at the time. So I got to my destination. I turned up out of there as quickly as I could have. And drove essentially 200 miles total between driving a truck and driving my car to New Jersey to where my dad was in a hospital. I had gotten there at right around 3:15, and when I got there, you know, obviously, or not obviously, well, they informed me that my dad had passed away 15 minutes prior. 15 fucking minutes. If I would have been 15 minutes earlier, I would have been able to at least say goodbye to my dad. And that 15 minutes is gonna haunt me forever. If it wasn't for my dad introducing me to motorcycles and showing me the love of this, I wouldn't be talking to you guys right now. So 2 years ago today, May 15th, I lost my dad. It sucked. I hadn't seen my dad in almost 2 years at that time. And it's not like we live really far apart. He lives in South Jersey, or he lived in South Jersey. I live up here in Pennsylvania. It's just with my work schedule and life kind of got in the way. But the truly fucked up part about it was I was on vacation the following week, and him and I made plans to get together, go out to lunch, and just kind of have an afternoon together and hang out. And it just goes to show you nothing's guaranteed in life. And fuck, man. So like I said, my dad has influenced me in a lot of ways. You know, the obvious one, like I said, is motorcycles. You know, and while shortly after I got my first motorcycle, got my license, got my first motorcycle, my dad got rid of his and never really rode a whole lot after that. So in all reality, in all the years that I've ridden and had my license and such, I've only ridden with my dad one time. And at that point, he had borrowed my brother-in-law's Harley at the time. And we did, it was some sort of charity run. But it was the first time ever I got to ride side by side with my dad, and to me that will always be my greatest ride, or my most favorite ride, or the best ride I've ever had. The day I got to ride side by side with my dad. But my dad has taught me a lot of things. I mean, a lot of my work ethic stems from him. You know, he was, lack of a better word, he was a workaholic. Worked all the time. And sad to say, I kind of followed in his footsteps. I missed out a lot of my son's life because of work and providing for the family. But so I'm making this video in honor of him. Yeah, so I just want to say I love you, Dad. I miss you. And I can't wait till that one day that you and I get to sit around again, shoot the shit, have a beer, and just bullshit like we used to do. So, thanks for watching this video, guys. It's, I appreciate it. And like I always say, stay safe, love one another, truly love one another, because tomorrow isn't promised. All right, guys, until next time, peace.